Hi, the LED will not come on my Honeywell Gas Control assembly. I have spent a fair amount of time with this and do not understand the troubleshooting statement that says millivolt power is not present. Light pilot. I'm trying to light the pilot, following the instructions by turning the gas control knob from off to pilot and depressing the igniter button. But I just do not see anything on the LED and it does not appear the pilot is coming on. Thank you very much for any assistance.
Hi there, are you pressing in on the gas control knob while pressing the igniter button?
Yes, I have been pressing in.
You will have to take covers off at bottom and see whether pilot is lighting or not.
It is not lighting. I don't see a light in the glass. Plus the LED is not staying on. This is a Honeywell Gas Control assembly. Does that help explain? Is there any way you can call me at 3034X? I have tried the basic things you are suggesting. Thanks very much.
Sorry, we can't use phones. Do you have other gas appliances that are working fine?
Okay. I didn't know that. I'm pretty sure I is not the gas, because the problem only came about after I turned off the pilot to drain the water heater, but I'll check right now on the other gas appliances. Again, I'm near certain that is not it. I'll get right back to you. The stove is gas. It is working fine. The cover over the pilot will not come off. The manual cautions strongly against taking it off and lighting by hand. Please stay with me to try to help me fix this. The hot water for the whole family is not working and my wife is mad at me. This all came about because I turned off the gas control knob while draining the water heater and now can't get the pilot relit.
Well, it may be that your igniter, sparker, isn't working.
How would I know that? I realize that is a possible problem. Are there other things that you can think to tell me as to how to fix this? Thank you. Do you have any suggestions if igniter isn't working?
You're setting knob on pilot and pushing all the way in, and while holding, pressing sparker multiple times, correct?
Correct. I've done that many times.
If igniter not working, you will need to light pilot with a barbecue lighter, hold pilot knob in white putting barbecue lighter flame to pilot. Which would first include getting access to pilot.
I can do that if I take off the door. Is that really dangerous or not? I guess it isn't that dangerous if I first clear out all the gas, right? I think I'd have to screw off the door to do that. Are you pretty sure that is okay to try, assuming I clear out all the gas?
Exactly, there will be little to no gas in there because the only head being released in there is what is coming through pilot price, minimal. If you are not comfortable doing that, by all means, don't. But if you can light a barbecue, it's roughly the same. Orifice, not price, above.
I will try that. I assume that will work. Are you pretty sure that the igniter is broken then? Is that why the LED is not coming on? Or does the fact that the LED is not coming on indicate some other problem?
The LED is not coming on because there is no heat from pilot flame hitting the thermocouple.
Okay, got it. I will write you back in about 10 minutes after I try this. Is that okay?
which produces millivolts to power gas valve.
Can I write you back in 10 minutes if that does not work?
If pilot lights, you will have to hold button in until got enough to release. I'll be here. How did you make out? Please rate if I helped you out. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.